Let go. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button first play. Get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. There's loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up?
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again right here in this good kitchen of mine. You know what I'm talking about? So we finna take all this good food to the grill. And we finna put everything on the grill, you hear me? So we got some party wings. And we have some Italian sausage. You know what I mean? Some mild Italian sausage. Nothing hot. You know what I'm talking about? So first what we finna do right now, we also have a thing of Husky smoked bacon. We'll go ahead and season our party wings real quick. Paprika for the beautiful color, you know what I mean? Boom. Now we go right there. 3 tablespoons. Some garlic powder. 2 tablespoons garlic powder. And then some dash. You know what I'm talking about? Some good dash. A whole bunch of herb in this right here also. You know what I mean? You don't have to worry about no salt. So that's a lovely thing. You know? So everybody that have a problem with that good salt, don't sleep on it. You hear me? So I'm gonna mix this up. Boom. Just like that there. You know? Mix everything up in there. Just like that there. And now we'll go ahead and wrap it with some good bacon. You hear me? Yeah, we're gonna wrap it with some bacon. You know, your boy been waiting for it to be a nice day outside. You know what I'm talking about? So I can start, you know, doing my thizzle on the grill. Wrap it just like this here. Just like that there, you know what I'm talking about? Grab another one, do the same thing. You know what I mean? Boom. So wrap that bad boy up. Wrap it up like a real Christmas gift or something like that, you hear me? Boom. You know what I'm talking about? Cover it up. Just like that there. Now we figure out some of these sausage. We're gonna do the same thing with these bad boys. You know, good Italian sausage. But we ain't gonna season them. You know what I mean? That's what we ain't gonna do. We ain't gonna season Italian sausage. So you wanna get these bad boys a nice wrap. Boom. You know, just like that there. Boom. A nice wrap, pimp. You know what I'm talking about? Start like that there. Come around one time. And then start traveling with the bacon. You know what I mean? Call this traveling. You know what I'm talking about? Because we got to get somewhere with that bacon. You hear me? We got to get to where we need to be. That good bacon. Alright, we're gonna do one more. Wrap one time. Boom. And travel. Hit dice. So your boy finna do what he gotta do. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, so now we at the grill. You know what I'm talking about? Just to make it happen. So what I did, not on camera, you know I love the color of that paprika. So I have to, you know what I mean, sprinkle some on that good bacon, you hear me? But other than that, here we go right here. You don't have to put no toothpick in it or nothing like that. So we're gonna put these right here on top. Cause it already stick, and once it start cooking, it's gonna really stick. Boom. Just try to keep them from too much over the fire. Once I put all these up here, we'll go ahead and give it a nice spray. But really, we don't really have to spray it because, you know, it's bacon. You know, bacon have its own little oil. So usually when you do something like this on the grill, you want to spray it with some oil or something like that. You know what I mean? Boom. There we go. You know what I mean? They on there. All of them go right there. Everything is on there. So we'll go ahead and close this bad boy up and let it do its thizzle. You know, probably after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, might come turn them over. But your boy go eyeball it. You know what I mean? You'll know if you gotta turn them over or not. Alright, so we have some Bush's baked beans, bourbon brown sugar. You know what I mean? Something nice and quick. Then we have some sweet honey barbecue sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I have me some minced garlic right here. So I'm gonna pour the rest of this minced garlic in this bowl right here. Boom. There we go right there. You know, about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. So I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for about a minute, and then we're gonna throw the barbecue sauce in here, mix it together, and we're gonna make it happen. Alright, so I had to change the plans. Your boy gonna make some stir-fried rice without the shrimp. You hear me? No shrimp, just the stir-fried rice. So you wanna add a little bit of butter to the pan. I think that's about it right there. If we need more, you know, your boy add a little more to it. Little tigers right there, you know what I mean? But everything else, just about ready. So what you wanna do, you wanna brown your rice. Everything is on the box also. You know what I mean? All the directions on the box. want it to get nice and hot. You hear me? Nice and hot in here. Y'all know the rest of the song, right? But I ain't gonna say it. You want to melt all that butter in there. All that good butter. Alright. Pour the rice in there. You can wait until the butter get a little hotter when it starts, you know, making a little noise for you. We're going to go ahead and get that rice. Nice coat on there. You know. You want to brown it for a good, you know what I mean, couple minutes, you know. Once you start hearing that, start talking to you, you know you're doing right. And then that's when you time it, once it start talking to you. You know what I mean? Once you start talking to you, you time it. And give it a couple minutes of it talking. Come and talk to me. You know what I'm talking about? So after you brown it, you know, after you brown it, you wanna you know, go by our directions on the back of the box, you hear me? Here are the directions right here on the back of the box, you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna let it sit. When we start talking, we'll start talking back to it. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. So here we go right here. You know what I mean? We have our stir-fried rice, our baked beans, and bacon wrap, you know what I'm talking about, chicken, and Italian sausage with the barbecue on there, you know what I mean? Your boy did a stizzle on the grill, the stove, made it happen, you hear me? Had to come out the good family and friends with another, you know what I mean, fire video. Something your boy to put together. It all came together like cheddar, like it's supposed to. So you know how we do it? Hit dice. You know what I'm talking about? Hit dice. You know what I mean? So I want everybody in the comment, once you see this video, leave hit dice on there. You know what I'm talking about? If you like what your boy brings to the table. You know what I mean? Hit dice. Yes, sir. So that's how we doing it right here in this good love in my kitchen. Yes, sir. A good love in my kitchen. You hear me? Hit dice. Other than that, your boy had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.